What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am in the same outfit, same makeup, same room as last video, but I do want to pre-film a little bit for you guys because I did get a different job and I'm pretty busy with that, and I also got a new boyfriend, which I can tell you guys about later, and I'm pretty busy with that. So I just want to pre-film a few videos, edit them, and then get them out throughout the week so I can be a little bit more consistent with you guys, which I apologize. I'm trying. So anyway, that being said, I wanted to try out these new Maybelline Python metallic lip kit. So I was like really intrigued by this when I saw this in Bed Bath & Beyond, and I was like, ooh, that looks fun. Look at that packaging, like, ugh. Does that not look like so much fun? So we're gonna try this bad boy out today. So I'm gonna wipe off the lipstick that I do have on, which is a combination of Prestige lip liner in the shade Satin Bronze 204. And then this is Maybelline Beige Babe, which is number 545. So that's what I have on right now. Just in case you were wondering, Manny MUA put me onto Beige Babe. I absolutely love it. Also, you guys, side note, I do carry around a bag, which just so happens to be a Louis Vuitton. And I was wondering if you guys would be down, because I'm nosy like that. I don't know about you guys, but if you guys would be down for a what's in my bag. So comment down below and let me know, because I could definitely make that happen for you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let me wipe this shit off. If you're wondering what makeup wipes I use, I love the dollar store makeup wipes. I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like they're so much softer and they don't leave that oily, nasty residue like the, I had lipstick on my teeth that whole time. Like the, Neutrogena ones, I can't stand. They are so greasy. Okay, now that I have a naked lips. Okay, so this is the packaging that it comes in. I did see Jackie Ina's review of these, but I had purchased mine prior to her review, but she did like have troubles getting it out, which I totally understand because, you know, it is drugstore, so they're trying to like, their loss prevention is like shitty packaging, so it'll be a little bit harder to steal. So don't be stealing no drugstore makeup, y'all. Okay, so I pulled it out. This is like a cute little Maybelline compact that it comes in. The shade I got is shade number 40, Untamed. And I got this one because it's the black one, and I was like, ooh, black lipstick, I don't know. I thought it'd be really cute, so I'm gonna pop it open. Holy fuck. Wow. Oh, there's more tape on it. Okay. Ooh, so that is what it looks like. It is just like a creamish lipstick with a like, I would say like really creamy shadow, and that one's like green. Packaging looks really cute and nice, but it is like really cheapy and weh. I wish it came with a mirror just so like if I was on the go and I wanted to like retouch it or anything like that, I could retouch it, but it does not. So I'm not a huge swatch person with eyeshadows and stuff because I don't think that is going to determine how well the product works. I think it's good to see if it works well with your skin tone or like, you know what I mean, color comparison, but I don't think it like shows the integrity of the product. I just want to swatch this black to see how black it's gonna look with my skin tone. So there it is. Okay, so that's pretty, it's like pretty sheer if you ask me. And then I'm gonna rub the green right next to it. Ooh, that's like a black, like a black based green. So this is the green shadow and that is the actual lipstick part. They both feel really creamy. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll go ahead and try this bad boy out. Okay, so now that you guys are all up in my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take a BH Cosmetics 142 lip brush, and I'm just gonna dip in to this black here. Okay, here we go. See, like this is the part where I wish I had a mirror to like do it. Whatever. I'm just gonna use an Artist Couture mirror because they have really nice ones in their compacts. No, I'm kidding. So, I'm just gonna take my Artist Couture compact with a huge mirror and let's just apply this lipstick. Ew. Like I said in my MAC Jeremy Scott video, I'm not a huge lip brush and lipstick kind of person. I'm more of like a applicator that comes in the tube kind of thing, but I'm really having to layer it on to get it to full opacity, but once it's on, it does feel really, really lightweight, so I'm really happy with that. Dipping in for like the 50 millionth time. So there it is on. Excuse my sloppy application. I'm just trying to get it on for you guys. I did go over a few times to get it to fully black because it was looking a little bit grayish, like not fully black. I really had to dig into this. I don't know if you guys can see, but like I really went into it to get the color payoff I needed. But anyway, moving on to the green. So I'm guessing I'm supposed to take this green on my finger and just dab it in the middle to give it like a cute little ombre, whatever. So let's go ahead with that. That is barely coming up on camera. It's really pretty. This is definitely not for the faint-hearted. I mean, it's pretty. Is it like remarkable? I don't really think so. I could do this with like a regular lipstick and a regular eyeshadow. I'm guessing it's like more for like the girl or boy on the go that just wants like this look to go or whatnot. So I think it is like pretty innovative though, and I think it's pretty fun with Maybelline, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the brush, the green shadowy part, and see if I can intensify this a little bit more. Wow, the brush is really helping it get on there. Okay. So here it is on. Again, I apologize for my crappy lip line. Whatever. Now that everything is on, it is still comfortable, still light. With the shadow on top, it is starting to feel a little bit drying, or like I'm noticing that I have something on. But all in all, still comfortable. I did get this at Bed Bath & Beyond for $6.99, and I did see in Jackie Ina's video they have this at Target for $6.99, and then Ulta tried it and made theirs $9.99. So I would shoot over to Target or to Bed Bath & Beyond if you wanted it. So all in all, my final-ish kind of thoughts are, it's cute. Is it practical? No. It's more like fun, daring makeup. They had like a lot of cool color combinations. I ended up going with the black and the green because I thought like, oh, how cute is that? But yeah, this is a fun little product for someone who's more daring with their makeup or something like that. Do you need it in your collection? No. Could I have skipped on it? Yes. Was it fun to play with? Yes. Will I probably use it in the future? Maybe if I want like a black on the go. You know what I mean? I might grab this, but being realistic, like probably not. The compact didn't even come with a mirror. You get 1.2 grams or 0.04 ounces of the powder, like the green part, and then you get 1.5 grams or 0.05 ounces of the black lipstick. So I feel like it's like pretty overpriced. It worked. It was a good product. Do you need it? No, it's not that serious. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big huge thumbs up. If you guys like me, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, we got problems. We got problems. You need to subscribe right here, right there, wherever it is. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.